everyone, welcome back to my channel. Iniki nama airport poro Amma, Ariana and me. We are going on a trip to Darjeeling. Actually, Arya shooting le poirkare. He's gone on an outdoor and he's gone for a few days and we were getting slightly bored in the house. Summer holidays kuda poitrike school ke. So we thought this is a good chance to take a small little relaxing break. We're going to Darjeeling. I've never been there before. I've actually never been to that part of India before. So na romba excited irukken. Looking forward to just unwinding, relaxing, having my tea with the mountains. So yeah, neenga kuda vaanga in the trip. Okay, check-in ho gaya hai. Ariana, say hi. Where are we going? Darjeeling. Yes. And it's so nice to hear that the flight is like 10 minutes early. I haven't heard that for a really long time because nowadays, Yepo mein travel பண்ணும்போது the flight is always getting delayed. But today for a change, it's before time, early, which is good. And so yeah, just finished check-in, going towards security and then boarding, and it's a full flight because there's only one direct flight a day to Bagdogra airport, and we are boarding. Ariana with her teddy bear. So we've landed at Bagdogra airport and sat in the car, and now to our hotel. It's going to be a 1 hour 10-minute drive, but it's supposed to be a very scenic and pretty drive. So here we are in the car. Keep driving, you just keep seeing tea gardens. We have reached our hotel. Okay, chaliye. The drive was so steep, you can still see the slope. So steep to even get here, it's a little scary. But it's beautiful. This is our room. The bathroom and dressing area is there. And this is the balcony. All set to have my chai here. Romba adaga view irukku. Those are the tea estates. And it's just basically so calming. The reason we're taking this holiday here is just because it is so calming. We are having tea. There are some bhajiyas and there's some bhel puri and cookies here. Hi mama. Hi. This lovely setting, and you won't believe it, it just started raining today, and they said like today was the first day of rain they had in all of 2024, so I'm just loving it. It's the next day. We've had breakfast. I had lovely chai in my balcony, and it was so foggy actually in the morning. You couldn't see anything, so we were just seeing white fog. But anyhow, it was beautiful. It's lovely weather. We've got dressed, and now we are going for a chinna drive around the property. And the property is full surrounded by tea gardens. So we're just going to see the hotel and basically just have a nice drive around the tea gardens. So nice. See, they have a Makai Bari tea gardens. Hello. Hi, Mom. Hi, Baba. So this is a little hut where the tea pluckers have lunch. When they pluck the leaves, they store it here. Ariana thinks it's a little house. Hey. So today we have come to see Darjeeling, like the city basically, because our hotel is about, it's in the middle. So from the airport it's an hour and a half, and from Darjeeling it's about an hour and a half. But because like summer holidays and all of that are going on, in traffic time from our hotel to Darjeeling it takes about like 2.5-3 hours. So what we did is we woke up really early today, had our breakfast, and we left at I think 8. We were in the car 7:30, 8 we were in the car. So it's not taken us that long. It's taken us about 1 hour 40 minutes. And here we are going to Mall Road, which is basically a small like a shopping area. I'm hoping to buy like a nice sweater or something for Ariana, and she's never been to the zoo. So if we have time and it's like good weather, because it's also drizzling a little bit. Yes. It started drizzling a little bit. So if that stops and it's good, we'll also go to the zoo for my baby. Where are you? This is Darjeeling station. So inge the oldest toy train irukku, which is at like the highest altitude. It was built in 1881 in the British era, and so yeah, actually because it's tourist season, people start booking the train tickets like 1 month in advance. So if you are planning a trip here, munnadi da please book panninga, because we have not got any tickets to the toy train. இங்கே டார்ஜிலிங்ல ஒரு very famous cafe slash bakery இருக்கு. It's called Glenaries. They're very famous for their baked stuff and their hot chocolate. So we are going to try that. It looks good. See. And then here we are. So here you can take your basket and choose whatever you
we're taking
want.
Cream rolls. Do you want any of these cakes?
No.
Is that it?
Yeah, I don't want anything as of now. At Glenaries, waiting for our hot chocolate, and mom is paying and bringing. What are you having?
Chocolate.
She's having chocolate cake. And it's really cold. It's like 12 degrees. So it's lovely. This is basically Mall Road with all the cute shops. And they just have like cute lot of woolen wear. Lots of just cute little things to look around.
Yeah. Zoo जा रहे थे, but now we can't go because it's raining and it's become extremely cold. The rain is also really heavy. So we've cancelled that plan and now we are going towards the hotel.
So we came to Mirik, where Mirik Lake is very famous. And actually there's not much to do. You can just visit the lake, and they have like this restaurant where we had a cup of tea. So it's just like relaxing here. It's time to go back home, guys. We've had a refreshing short little holiday, but actually we really didn't do much except the little bit that I recorded to show you. That's all that we did. Just relaxed, took in the fresh air, and just had a really nice rejuvenating time. We are now leaving for the airport. Hotel to airport, we have to drive 1.5 hours to reach Bagdogra airport, and The flight to Chennai is another 2.5 hours. So na rumba prepare pannittu poren for Ariana to be entertained on this little bit long journey home. Her toys, her snacks, ellame edutittu poren, so she's happy. And yeah, thank you for coming on the holiday with me. I hope you like to see the greenery and just a little bit of what I did on this short little break. You know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and see you soon in my next vlog.